Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-keto and low-carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite quick tea biscuit recipe. They're gluten-free, crunchy, sugar-free, and taste great. So straight into the ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and then I added 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and then a dash of salt. We will also need 1 whole egg. We will also need a half a cup of your preferred keto and low carb sweetener. I will be also using 1 tablespoon of your preferred cream cheese. So this is optional. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fennel and 1 teaspoon of anise seed. And place all the ingredients straight into the food processor. And mix well until all the ingredients have fully combined together. So let's have a look at our dough. This is the consistency that we need so our sweet biscuits can be nice and crunchy. Our dough is now ready to roll out. I've dusted some almond flour to help with the process. To further help, I'm going to use parchment paper on top of the dough, and then roll out the dough by applying some gentle pressure. I like to alternate when kneading out the dough. Then roll out the dough to your desired thickness. This is the thickness I like for my sweet tea biscuits. After rolling out the dough, use your preferred biscuit cutters. This is the shapes that I'm going to use today. Then place into the oven at 140 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. Our sweet biscuits are now ready. They are nice and golden. It took for me around 30 minutes to get that lovely golden color. Remember to let them cool down before serving. After cooling down, you can store them in your preferred metal biscuit tin to keep that crunch. I love having these with my lovely mint tea. Any questions, please leave them below. And until next time.